If you want to add your torch to home screen on your iPhone 16e, that's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our shortcuts. Let's press plus at the top right corner. And here we gotta find our set flashlight action. Set flashlight action, set torch action. So turn torch on, great. Now let's press done and the shortcut is made. So what do we do with it? We have to tap on the three dots, tap on the share icon and press add to home screen. Now let's give it a name like torch. And let's press add. Great, now it is added, and every time when we're gonna tap on it, it's gonna activate our flashlight. If we're gonna tap on it again, the flashlight would be deactivated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.